great. This is going on.
Hey, you got the overall.
Right, he's going for the fun ride. This will be for practice only, not for money, just for fun. Everybody scoot up as close as you can get to your hand and keep your feet forward. One hand up then. One hand up, dude. Raise your arm and ride it. He's riding the fun ride. This is not the timed ride. There you go. Ride your bull. Go man, go man. Good job, buddy. Who's next? Step up, sign in, check out the bull ride. Don't miss out. Kids can try, kids can ride.
Was that fun?
Yeah. I busted my balls.